Welcome to Creativerse. In this class, we're going to be looking at the Bend Modifier. And what is the Bend Modifier? It is a deformation modifier that allows you to curve or bend an object around a specified axis, giving it a smooth, controllable curvature. Think of it as you take a straight object and bend it like a flexible rod. So let's dive straight into it. So we could draw, let's say, a box. Okay. Maybe I might want to expand my grid a bit, so right click, come to my home grid, and here, increase this. So I'm going to apply the bend modifier. You can find your bend here. You can type whichever. So the first thing first, you could bend, put your model like this. Okay. Second thing is that you could, when you bend, you could tweak the direction. Okay. But that is not just it for me. Maybe I can change the position of my gizmo, so I can come into my sub options there, and maybe change the position of this. Now when you change the position of this to maybe the top, you can see what happens is that the gravity or the effect of a pull and push change. If you can see. Okay, so that can come in handy. Okay, another thing is that you might want to play with your Y and X if that's what you think you might want. Well, I think the Z should do. Okay, and here is when you want to turn on other sides, when you want to add a limit effect. Okay, so once I click it, it tends to limit it, but with some measurements there, but that can be used when you want to place a constraint in your bending and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck that, and I can come back to Gizmo and take this back down to where it should be. Okay, and that's that. Just to be precise, to make sure your gizmo stays on the grid, you can right click this and make sure you are snapping to grid point. Then let's say you hit your S, or click this button here. Then with this now, your grid has snapped, your gizmo has snapped to the grid. So that is that basically as it concerns the bend modifier. Alright, see you in the next video.